pretty, please.
Pretty, please. Flap the fucking toilet.
I think I said more pretties than 3.
Oh my god.
So this is really a nice way for the kids to leave. Addison said flush the toilet, like I said, probably about 75 times without exaggeration. Such a joy.
Flush the toilet. Oh my god, put the fucking camera down, man. Flush the toilet.
He's so fun.